We need to check that part. Okay. So we will see how to solve the question. Just 1 minute. See, look here now, x you have to substitute. You need to check x value and then you need to substitute. Okay. So now look here. Which one? This question, at least you read this question. Direct substitution, yes, that you need to do. Because 1 minus cos 2x formula is there. Based on that formula only you need to solve. Yes. Good evening, Unity. Yes. Cos square x, hey, fish market. Ready? Anjali, good evening, beta. Sorry for late. Little putty late. हो रही है बेटा हो रही है क्लासेस हो रही है अब एग्जाम्स है ना तो रिवीजन करवा रही हूँ क्लास में तो पर्सनली इन लोगों का क्वेश्चन सॉल्व कर रही हूँ तो लिटिल इधर उधर हो जा रहा है क्लासेस बट हाँ आज बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट क्लास है एक हट Okay. Starting the class. Okay, fine. Let's start the class, please. Now look here. In lines and angles, first you know that some of the rules are there. The first rule is what? That if line you are drawing, hey, monkey, what is this? Over here. Now I am giving division, please. Now look here. So when you will be talking about, can you please check? My voice is not clear. Wait. Just 1 minute. Wait. Line I did not connect it. Yeah, monkey. Now it will be good. Check now, is it okay? Shall we, beta? Now look here. When we talk about any line, beta, you know that the line is subtending how much degree? How much degree it is connected? Yes, it is exactly making 180 degree. How much degree it is making? 180 degree. Okay, so that's most. So when a line is exactly subtending, the angle subtended by a line is coming as 180 degree. This was the one concept that is called as straight line. And whenever you will be drawing one ray in it, adjacent ray. Adjacent ray means any point when you will be drawing and you will be making an adjacent ray. At that particular moment, when you will be drawing an adjacent ray, now look at when you will be drawing any adjacent ray on the line, it will be exactly called as linear pair. Or it is called as linear pair. So third concept. So concept by concept I am teaching you. The third important concept is if you will be making two rays here, okay, just for basic concepts, then it will not be called as linear pair, then it will be called as straight line. Then it will be called as angles on the straight line, and it will be exactly considered as sum of all the three will be coming as how much degree? 180 degree. Sum of all the three will be coming as what? Today all students are offline here because exams are there now, so all are present here offline. Okay, so it is coming as how much degree, beta? 180 degrees. Okay, so now we will be going for the next one. Now, beta, two lines are parallel, then corresponding angle, alternate interior angle exactly coming in the same side of the transversal. That part we have to learn. So after that, we will start solving some of the important questions of NCERT. Shahil, did you join? Now look here. So these two lines are parallel. Let's take these two lines as L and M. So here L and M, these two lines are parallel. So if any line is cutting the two lines, so here you need to understand that these two lines are exactly cut by any line P. Understood? So when these two lines are cut by any line P, then what is exactly this line is called as transversal line. What it is called as, beta? Transversal line. What it is considered as transversal line. Online students, the online students are offline here today. This is called as what? Transversal lines. What it is called as transversal lines. They were very lazy, but before exams, all are present. All are present today. So it is called as what, beta? Transversal. Understood? So now next point when we are trying to understand, we just check this one out. This is called as vertically opposite angles. Understood? So when two lines will intersect, then opposite angles will be exactly called as vertically opposite angle. What it will be considered as beta? Vertically, good evening child. It will be considered as what beta? Vertically opposite angle. After vertically opposite angle, if somebody will be asking you, so this angle and this angle will be considered as what beta? Vertically opposite angles. What it will be considered as? Vertically opposite angles. Now, this is vertically opposite angle, and if they will be asking about this angle and this angle, this angle and this angle, it will be called as what beta? Corresponding. What it will be called as? Corresponding. You are in Rajasthan. No problem, beta. You join always online, na? So now look at beta. This is corresponding angles. This is what called as corresponding angles. And corresponding angles will be equal only in one situation. You know which situation the corresponding angles are equal? Can you tell me? When the two lines will be parallel. When the two lines will be parallel, then only corresponding angles are equal. So when two lines are parallel, corresponding angles are equal. I hope you might have understood. So corresponding angle not only this side, corresponding angle if this side will be there, then corresponding angle will come this side. Understood? So these are exactly some of the most important points. This is corresponding angle means this side will become corresponding angles. I hope you might have understood. So what is corresponding angles? You have understood now. So corresponding angles we learned. After that vertically opposite angles we learned. Line we have learned. Next important point to learn about. See, I'm just removing this one so that you can understand. Alternate interior angle. Very rarely we are using exterior angle, but interior angles are these angles. So these two opposite angles are called as alternate interior angle. What it is called as? Alternate interior angles. What it is called as? Alternate interior angles. And this part also beta, what it is? Alternate interior angles. In shortcut, what we are saying, whenever Z formation is there, this angle and this angle will be considered as alternate interior angles. Did you got the point? Alternate interior angles. So now beta, another important point is when two lines will be parallel, and transversal will be there, at that particular moment this angle plus this angle will be equal to 180 degree. Understood? So sum of the two interior angle, co-interior angles on the same side of the transversal are supplementary. What is the statement? Sum of two co-interior angles on the same side of the transversal are supplementary. On the same side of transversal are supplementary. So here the x plus y will be there. So what you are going to write? Come on, say x plus y is equal to 180 degree. And what is the theorem? Sum of co-interior angles on the same side of transversal are supplementary. I hope you might have understood. Online children, did you understood? Anjali? Chahel, Tanisha, I don't know Tanisha joined or not. Okay, very good. So x plus y will be equal to 180 degree. This is called as co-interior angles on the same side of transversals are supplementary. Punch you. Understood now? So now we are going to solve some of the questions based on the concept. Understood? So some conceptual questions are there which is creating problem for you all. Let's solve this question because we have solved some of the questions. So some revision is needed. So are you all ready for it? Okay. So take out your note and then see. Okay, come on, go for this question, please. Ma'am, what is the difference between the lines and line segment? Can you please explain me? See, lines will be what? See, understand one thing. Lines will have lines will have no end point. Means it will be stretched infinity. But when somebody will be talking you about line segment will have two end points. Line segments will have what beta? Line segments will have two end points. That's the basic importance between, that's the basic difference between line and line. So if I want to draw, this part light switch on. If I want to draw, that is drawing how I am going to draw beta, look here. So this is exactly considered as line beta. This is considered as line and this is line segment. Got it? So line segment will have two endpoints. If you learn, what is this? उसको बोल रही थी, उसको बोल रही थी, तो शांति से पहले लिख. So what is the difference between lines and line segment? Line segment will have two endpoints. Line segment will have how many endpoints? Two endpoints. And lines do not have endpoints. Good evening, Tanisha. Come on. No problem. मेरा नाम खुशबू है. Oh, the club letters are there. In that scores are there. Can you check the scores? So take that. That's already corrected paper. Thank you so much, Pita. Bless you all. Bless you all. I'm not a teacher. I'm a facilitator, Pita. I always say that teachers means little bit attitude. Facilitators are those people who are working for the welfare of the students. Okay. Come on. Are we ready for the question? Yes, now come on, go for it. Good evening, Abhay. Now look here. When somebody will be asking you this question, hey, monkeys, that score is very, very important for you. But right now, exams are more important. Shall we focus into our exams? Happy Teachers Day. Thank you so much, Vita. Bless you. Now look here. So now, if somebody will be asking you this question, hey, monkeys. Now look here. The line AB and CD intersect at O. Now check here, line AB and CD is intersecting at what point? O. Understood. So line AB and CD is intersecting at O. After that, what they have given? AOC plus BOE is equal to 70 degree. Come on, start here. You are waiting. AOC plus BOE is equal to how much degree given? 70 degree. Understood. After that, what they are telling? An angle BOD is 40 degree. Okay. So find angle BOE. This angle only they are. And EOC, reflex angle EOC. How much it will come? Thank you so much, Abhay. Thank you so much, Naresh.
BOB is equal to 30 degree.
EOC is equal to 110.
250 degree.
Hey. How much? 110 degree. Wait, see. These two angles sum is coming as how much? Come on, go for it. Now look at it. Angle AOC and BOE. AOC and BOE. Angle AOC plus angle BOE is equal to 70 degree. What, ma'am?
That is
110 degree, yes. That's cheating. Why you are saying no? Absolutely correct. Now look at beta, how to solve this question? Deva correct only. Sorry, Deva was his sister's name. Now always call her Deva only. Tanisha, look at beta. So now look at this angle plus this angle is coming as how much degree? 70 degree. Correct? After that, what it is coming with a BOD. So if I am going to take this one, BOD is coming as how much degree beta? 40 degree. Correct? Huh? So this plus this, and we don't know this one. And AOD, any idea about AOD? Anything? No.
140.
140. Reflex is 250 degree. Absolutely correct, beta. So first one, what we will do now, beta? This angle and this angle given now. This angle plus this angle is equal to how much given? 70. So we will take this one as line. When we are taking this one as line, this plus this. 3 sum will be equal to 180 degree. So 100% angle EOC will be equal to 180 minus 70. So it is coming as 110 degree. So this angle is coming as how much? 110 degree. Because this plus this is coming as how much, beta? 70. Correct? Understanding, na, beta? So after that, what? Yes, absolutely correct. BO is a line. Now after that, beta, what next we are going to do? So now this is 110. Correct? Now this is exactly coming as this plus this is coming as 70. Now this part also given. What is this given, beta? 40. Now that is what total sum. 70, 110 and 40. All, everything if I will add. How much it is coming? 250 degree. How much it is coming? 250 degree. Sum of this and this will come as 250 degree. And this is what they asked. Angle, reflex angle BOE. That's it. So this is that question. Absolutely correct, Shahid. So are you ready? To whom I will ask the question without opening the note you are supposed to solve. Ready? Now another lines and angles, one question is there. Another set question I am going to give you. Are you ready for it, please? This is not the same PDF. Come on, go for this one. Chocolate if you solve this question. Chocolate if you solve this question. Go for it. First question first you solve, then you solve. Yes. For both questions you solve. हैरी पॉटर बिहारी था. हाँ. आज तू लगा रहे. आज हैरी पॉटर बिहारी. आंसर बताओ. अगर हैरी पॉटर बिहार में रिलीज हुआ तो वो बिहारी था. झारखंड में रिलीज हुआ तो झारखंडी था. तमिल में रिलीज हुआ तो तमिलियन था. जो भी था हैरी पॉटर था. चलो सॉल्व. करेक्ट. कम ऑन सॉल्व दिस क्वेश्चन बेटा. यस यस देखा है. I saw. Hey, come on, yaar. Try the question. See here, construction is needed, beta. Yes, hint means you need to do construction here. You need to do some construction here. Hint is a line code select. Hey, innada. 40 is wrong answer. Inachi sir, where line drawing sir? Not middle line. Come and draw sir. Vaanga and draw pannu. Hint is drawing a line. Nadula. You saw, don't get distracted. Huh? Let them play. Can I give you a hint? I am ready to give clue. Now look here. This is exactly the most easiest question. Now look here, what is that parallel lines? First you check this one out. Which lines are exactly coming in parallel? You see here. What they have given in the previous question or this question? Question 27 first we will solve. Okay, wow. So first we will solve question number 27. In 27 what they are telling? If find the measure of an angle. So if let the angle be x. Now look here, beta. If 8 times, so see, they are telling one time it's complement and they are telling one time it's supplement.
3 times supplement.
8 times it's supplement. So you just remember 8 times its complement is 20 degree less than 3 times its supplement. 20 degree less than 3 times its supplement. Understood? So now please pay attention here. Hey, see, if I am taking an angle x, what will be its complement?
90 minus x.
वो झारखंडी था. If an angle is x, then what will be its complement? Child, say, Tanisha say, if an angle is x, then what will be its complement? 90 minus x or x minus 90? 90 minus x. Okay, very good. So if an angle is x, then its complement will be beta.
Then 90 minus x and
90 minus x. And with the same angle, what will be its supplement?
180 minus x.
What will be its supplement?
180 minus x.
Its supplement will be. चलो serious हो जाओ यार.
180 minus x.
Supplement will be 180 minus x. So supplement done, complement done. Understood? Now what they are asking? Find the measure of an angle if 8 times its complement is 20 degree less than 3 times its supplement. 8 times its complement. 8 times.
90 minus x.
8 times its complement. is 20 less than 3 times its supplement. 20 less than 3 times its supplement. Now solve it. Come on, solve. After this also try to solve. Yes, supplementary angle rate triangling. Supplementary angle. Supplement means supplementary angle. Then it becomes sin square x. Sin square x will come again fall into the formula of cos 2x. Again you reverse it back. Okay. Very good. Tanisha is giving the answer. ग्रेड कहाँ ग्रेड हाँ डालने में मिस्टेक हो गया जल्दी जल्दी डाल लेट हो गया बहुत ज़्यादा वो हो जाएगा चेंज क्लास के बाद वो चेंज हो जाएगा Come on, solve at least this one, right? 8 times solve competive.
40.
Show me a note. मैंने लिखा है GRSDE हो जाएगा 40 that part chocolate is not for that question chocolate is for 28th question sorry okay both solve chocolate I will give
Okay.
28 you solve without my help first also you solve because of my hint only so chocolate will distribute hey come on hey shh. Today monkeys are shouting huh? Please come on solve the question please so now look at it I am solving this question now look at 8 9 8 17 it is coming as 720 minus 8x equal to 0 3 8 24 3 1 is 3 4 5 540 minus 3x minus 20 beta. So here it is coming as 720 that side can't switch off beta most so minus 540 equal to 540 minus 20 will become how much beta 520 540 minus 20 is 520 minus 3x plus 8x so how much it is coming 200 is equal to 5x so x is equal to 200 by 5 is equal to 40 so what is x beta x is 40 degree absolutely correct Understood? Whenever any angle will be there, its complement will be 90 minus x. Its supplement will be 180 minus x. Which question you are telling? Correct. Courier करके. Tanisha, you are telling answer is 70. Which question answer you are telling, Tanisha? Okay, Tanisha is telling second answer, I think. First question she gave already answer. Child, what is the answer for the second question? Yes, correct only. 28th answer Tanisha has given. She has told answer is 70. And you are telling 140. Let's check. After solving only we will come to know whose answer is correct. Hey, you tell me, beta, what is the answer? Huh? How 70 came? Solve and show me. How 70 came? Solve and show me. Anjali is telling, Tanisha is telling, she's thinking it is 70. अगर कुछ उल्टा पलटा लिखा तो बहुत मालूम याद रखियो ये how many of you solved? Yoshi, show me a note. Thinking And at the time of thinking, sound is coming from mouth, na? Very good, nice. Now look at it. For this question, now what you need to do first, understand the question. After that, you directly focus. Show me where you have drawn the construction and what and all you have done. Now look here. First, I have to do the construction this side. Now please pay attention here. So once I have drawn that one, the construction part will be doing the half of the work. Wait. So if I am drawing this part, because what they asked us
And AEC.
So now beta here AEC, na? AEC, they are asking this angle. They are asking this angle. For this we will do one construction and we will write here as F. Got it? Now AB is parallel to what is given to you. Given section is AB is parallel to CD and angle EAB, wait 1 minute, is 110 degree. Angle ECD is equal to 40 degree. See, till that time I gave you time. Now I am solving it. So please. Now look here. After that, beta. So in our construction part, what we will do? So you are a doctor by profession, huh? So AB is parallel to CD. AB is parallel to CD. So now beta in construction, what we are doing? This is given now. So construction is drawing AF as transversal. Understood? So beta first work is we draw AF as transversal. Understood? Connecting. So AF as transversal, extension of EA to F. So if it is a line, are you understanding? If it is a line, then and this we have done extension of this is EF. Got it? Now this is 110, then this one will become 70 degree. Then this is 70 degree. If this is 70 degree, then this will be how much degree? 110. Then this one will become 70 degree. Now this plus this will become 110. Then this part will become 70 degree. I rest my case. So you have to solve like that only. Okay. Okay. Huh? I'll solve it. Can I solve it? Now look beta, this is 110 degree. So beta EF. Now EF becomes a line. Why beta? Because by construction we have done one thing. By construction we have drawn extension of EA to F. We have drawn extension of EA to F. And once we have drawn construction of EA to F, at that particular moment, we are exactly knowing that EF becomes a line. Understood? So, since in solution section, what we are going to say? EF is a line by construction. Once we have taken EF as a line by construction data, now EF is what you call it then. Therefore, angle BAF plus angle AFD will be equal to 180 degree by sum of interior angles on the same side of transversal are supplementary. I am writing only sub. Okay. Now beta here, this part is already given. Now beta, this part is coming as 70. Done now. Now we are going to write this plus this is equal to. Now beta this part is given as how much? 110. So this is 110. So this part will come as 70. So here, but before that, sorry, before this you write EF is a line. So if solution EF is a line, that means what? 110 degree plus angle BAF equal to 180 degree. So angle BAF is equal to 70 degree. After that beta, you go this side. So now BAF is coming as 70 degree. 70 plus angle AFD equal to 180 degree. So angle AFD is equal to 110 degree. Now beta, this and this on the same side. So this will become 70. Now Shanvi, your understanding beta? Shanvi, co-interior angles, absolutely correct. Co-interior angles beta. So once you have written co-interior angles, this part will become 70 degree. So now we will write angle EFC plus angle AFB will be equal to 180 degree. Linear pair we can say. So what will be angle EFC? EFC is coming as 70. We are going to write angle EFC plus 110 is equal to 180. So angle EFC. Okay, after that this up. Don't laugh. You understood or not?
Solution was
This is F, this is 70, this is 110, this is 70. Okay,
Right, given section solution.
this is 70. So when you go home, see that construction part. Okay, beta here till here, what we have done? We got the values till here. Till we got that this is coming as 70. That means angle EFC is coming as 70 degree. Got it? Little bit if you will take it back means which contact number here? EFC is equal to 70 degree. Once EFC is coming as 70 degree beta, now this plus this. So in triangle EFC. Now beta that three angles we will take angle ECF plus angle CEF plus angle EFC is equal to 180 degree. Sum of angles of triangle. Now beta here two angles already we know 40 plus 70 plus angle. This angle only get told na angle AEC. Instead of writing CEF, we can also write EC because this angle is for both common and that is coming as 100 degree. So angle ACE is equal to 180 minus 110. It is coming as 70 degree. 180 minus 110 is coming as lines and angles. Okay? No, directly you can write now. Did you understood? Lines and angles. Lines and angles. Is it done? Huh? Which one? For all the questions. Yes. Solution I gave you, no? See, first you understand, please one more time I am going to explain you. This is parallel to this one. Hey, please 2 minutes be silent. This is parallel to this one. This is acting as transversal. This is your construction work. So construction is just like one lifeline. Okay? Now here, if this is line, that means what beta? This plus this will be equal to 180 degree. Why? Because sum of interior angles on the same side of the transversals are supplementary. Understood? So here, this angle plus this angle is coming as how much? 180 degree. Done? Now beta here, also first you need to, this line when you are drawing, this is the construction. The construction one is, this one was already there. You constructed this line. Got it? And you are telling in the construction that I am drawing the extension of EA to F. Then what you are doing beta, if this is 110, then this one will become 70. Now after 70 beta, what you are doing is, this is your what you call extension part. So this angle plus this angle. This angle plus this angle will come 180 degree. Why? Because interior angle on the same side of the transversal are supplementary. Understood? So here beta, if it is 110, then this part will become 70. Now beta, this plus this will come as how much? 180 degree. Now we are understanding beta. So here 70 plus 110 will come as 180 degree. But beta, this, if this is 110, then this part, if this is a line, then 110, then this one will become 70. Now don't look anything. This is 40 degree, this is 70. Then this will be how much? 70. Why? Because sum of angles of a triangle is coming as 180 degree. Till here it is done. 2 minutes when I was explaining, you are jumping like anyone. So only I shouted on you. Just give me 2 minutes. Yes, today Bhavya is offline. Your friend Anjali from Rajasthan is asking. Today Bhavya is offline. Okay. Come on, go for this question. Now this is another question. Come on. This question came in your exam. Now come on, solve this question, please. Come on, solve this question. Hey, try this question out. Yeah, I'm moving. Come on. Your mother is here only in coaching. She came. I didn't inform. Your son is telling LHS is equal to RHS. This proof. Wow. One person is telling ये तो duck है. This question looks like duck. All my students are genius. One is telling duck, one is telling this, that. Nice. Answer 90 degree. From which part of the angle you are bringing 90 degree there? Solve sensibly. 90 degree. Coming 90 degree. Yes. Now look here. First, AB is parallel to CD. Come on, look here, beta, please. AB is parallel to CD. Okay. Now, one by one, try to resolve the question rather than making it more difficult. I don't know your name. Now listen, beta. Prove that AB is parallel to CD. Sorry, AB is prove that AB is parallel to CD. We have to prove it is parallel. This is not that question where you have to find the value. Here actually what you have to do is you have to find that AB is parallel to CD. But beta, what they have given and CD is parallel to EF. This is a very simple question. You know, whenever two lines are parallel, then what in all criteria are equal beta? Alternate interior angles, corresponding angles. So Amrish, can you tell me one thing beta? See, how we are going to check that they are parallel or not. Correct now? Now, look at it. One word we are going to do. How to write this type of answers first to check. Because they didn't told you to prove here. Actually, what they told you to find the values. Okay. So now look at that. This and this, if I have to prove these two are parallel, then what I will do beta? If this is parallel and EC is transversal, then sum of two interior angles should be coming as 180 degree. Is it coming 180 degree beta? Yes. So that means what? They both are parallel. Got it? Now beta, if this is parallel to this, then by alternating interior angle, this plus this should be coming as 70 degree. Sorry, this and this should also be coming as 70. Means if this is 70, then this part will also come as 70. Is it coming 70, beta? 50 plus 2 is coming as 70 degree. Did you got this point? So here one is corresponding angles. No. One is not corresponding angles. One is interior side, interior, some of the interior angles on the same side of transversal are supplementary. And second one is alternate interior angles. Sanvi, did you understand? Arunisha, how to attempt? Now, how to write the question? Now, look here. To write the question, what and all we have to do, beta? To check EF is parallel to CD, first angle FEC plus angle ECB is equal to 130 plus 50. Then how much it is coming, beta? 180. This is which property? Sum of interior angles. Sum of interior angles on the same side of the transversal. Sum of interior angles on the same side of transversal. Sum of interior angles on the same side of transversals are supplementary, and because of that only, beta. Are you understanding that one, beta? Done. Now we will go for the next one. This part done, right? So if this is parallel to this one, that means this angle will be equal to this angle. So 70 degree will be equal to 20 plus 50. It is coming as 70 degree. Absolutely correct, Anjali. Super, beta. Shall we go for the next one, please? Huh? So they know your names. Bhavya, Arunisha. This is very beautiful question, sir. Just 1 minute. Huh? Is 4 in degree? 4 is in degree. First, exemption this as t. Then it is coming as cos 2 to the power of degree. Okay? Yes, beta. Thank you so much for calling me, beta. So here cos is there. What will the formula will become? Cos square t plus cos square t formula is cos square t minus 1 is cos 2 correct? So here this one is cos square t. So here you remember the formula. So it will become cos t plus 1. Yes, and then it will be able to be solved. Otherwise, it is not solved. Then 3 sin x minus 4 sin x. Then you separate it.
Then this will become x.
And therefore it will become 4 sin square x. Then sin square x is split by cos 2x. Pick it. Now look at it. See, beta, what is there in the question? Anjali, dekho, beta. PT bisects angle. PT bisects angle RPS. RPS. That means what, beta? If this total angle is x, RPS. So if angle RPS is equal to x, then this part will become how much, beta? RPT is equal to SPT is equal to x by 2. So this half section will become what, beta? This half section will become x by 2 and this half section will become x by 2. Why? Since PT is bisector of angle RPS. Did you understand, beta? What is the speciality of bisector? Bisector divides the angle into two equal halves. So if this total angle is x, then what will be this angle, beta? X by 2. So if total angle is 60, then this angle will become 30 and this angle will become 30. Are you understanding? So 60 will split as how much, beta? 30 and 30. Did you got this point? 60 will split as how many degrees, beta? 30 and 30. This done? Now, beta, here what they are telling, prove that PT is parallel to QR. You need to prove PT is parallel to QR. So, beta, any angle given. Now, PT bisect this, angle Q is equal to angle R. But what is given, beta? Angle Q is equal to angle R. This is actually given. Angle Q is equal to angle R. Done now, beta. Now, here, if it is bisecting, beta, then this part will become how much? This part will become x by 2. Done now. Any connectivity we need to generate so that if this is x by 2, this is x by 2. Anything? Tell me. What and all we can do here, beta? See, look here. Angle Q is equal to angle R given. Angle Q is equal to angle R given. So since angle Q is equal to angle R given, beta, that means what? They both are equal now. Huh? So now if these two are equal, then what is this, beta? Any other connectivity they have given? They said PT bisect angle. Huh? See, only one small work will have to be done. You need to be very careful and understand this question very particularly first. After that, you say anything. Okay, just give me 2 minutes to explain. Now, better look here. If this will be 30 degree, then this part will also become 30 degree. Better because this angle is equal to this angle. And did you notice one thing? Kanishk, everyone, please first listen, and after that, first you see here, beta. Now we know one formula, beta. We know one theorem. What is the theorem, Kanishk? Exterior angle is sum of two interiors opposite angle. Then na beta, exterior angle is equal to sum of two interior opposite angle. Now this is x and this is x. Then this one will become what, beta? Total angle will become x. Done na? Exterior angle. शानवी कुछ नहीं पढ़ा है हमने. इधर देखो. This is exterior angle. ठीक है? This is exterior angle. This is x. ठीक है? अब this is y and this is z. So beta x will be equal to y plus z. The theorem is exterior angle is equal to sum of two interior opposite angles. What is the theorem, beta? Exterior angle is equal to sum of two interior opposite angle. Now beta tell me, where is the exterior angle here? ये this exterior angle हो जाएगा ना. This is a line. Okay, you see here, this was a line. I'm understanding it. If this is a line and this is the exterior angle, then which are the two angles beta inside? Not this one. Don't take this angle. Which angles we are going to take? Opposite angle. Understood? So exterior angle is equal to sum of two interior opposite angle. Now beta, if this is x and this is x, then what this will become? Say, if this is x and this is x, exterior angle is equal to, that means angle RPS is equal to sum of two interior opposite angle Q plus angle R. Now, beta, this is x and this is x, then it will become beta x plus s. So, angle RPS is equal to 2x. Correct? Now, beta, RPS is bisected by T. Correct, na beta? So, this part will become x and this part is also x, and this is only possible corresponding angle. Are you understanding? So if this is parallel to this one, then by corresponding angle, this angle and this angle should be same. So here it is coming as x and this is also coming as x. So that means what, beta? PT is parallel to QR. Okay, one more time we will do it because this is a very important question. Now look here, beta, I am explaining one more time, children, listen it carefully. Now, one more time I am teaching you. This concept is called as exterior angle is equal to sum of two interior opposite angle. Kanish, what did I say? Exterior angle is equal to sum of two interior angles. Sum of two interior angles. Now look here, beta. This is a triangle. Kanish, time up, please. See this one. Please focus because this is an important question. Many times in KD school and other school they are asking this question. Okay. Now look here. So here, when they will be asking this question, please pay attention here. This is the triangle and this is the exterior angle. Then, now beta, this is exterior angle is x, this is y, and this is z. So x will be equal to y plus z. What is the property called as exterior angle? Which is the exterior angle, beta? X is the exterior angle. Exterior angle is equal to sum of two interior opposite angles. Understood, beta? So now here, which one is the exterior angle, beta? Which one is the exterior angle here? RPS. Understood. So now we will write let what is given to you? Angle Q is equal to angle R. It is given. Done now? So what we will take? Let angle Q is equal to angle R is equal to X. So that means what beta? This part will become X and this part will become X. Done? So what we will write beta? Angle RPS is equal to angle Q plus angle R. That is X plus X. What is the theorem? Exterior angle is equal to sum of two interior opposite angle. So that means what beta? Angle RPS is equal to 2x. Done na beta? So here RPS is coming as 2x. Once it is done beta, after that we can write that since PT is bisector. What is PT beta? Bisector of angle RPS. So what we are going to write beta? Angle RPT is equal to angle SPT is equal to only x na beta? Because if this total angle is coming as 2x connection. If this total angle is coming as 2x, then what will be this angle beta? Connects x. And this will be x. Did you got my point? So beta look here. This is exterior angle. Exterior angle is equal to sum of two interior opposite angle. Why I wrote here x and x? Why not x and y? Why I wrote here x and x? Why not x and y? Angle Q is equal to angle R. Understood? So that means what beta? This will be 2x. Why? Because this plus this. But beta PT is bisector. So PT will bisect into two equal halves. So this part will become x and this part will become x. So what you are going to write? Beta. So many problems coming in boys. I hope you might have understood. Just 5 minutes. This is the last question, beta. I hope you might have understood till here. Got it? So now beta here, once you have written till here, now look here. That means this is what angle beta? This is x. Got it? That part is coming as x. So what we are going to write? So angle SPT is equal to x. Angle PQR also equal to x. So this part is coming as x and this part is coming as x. So by corresponding angles. What angles beta? Corresponding angles criteria. We can say that PT is parallel to QR. This is only possible by corresponding angles na beta. In corresponding angles what we have learned? This angle will be equal to this angle. So corresponding angle criteria, this will be equal to this. So if this is x also and here also this is coming as x and here also it is coming as x. So by corresponding angle criteria they both are equal. Did you got this point beta? Can we keep it in here? Not understood now how to solve? See, more questions note down. First note down. And NCERT question doubts can you bring tomorrow class? Because Saturday, Sunday, yes. Tomorrow, Saturday, Sunday, any other class is there, means you are going to come. Got it? Tomorrow school is there? After exam you will come? After full day, what is the timing for you? Okay, bye everyone. Huh?